everyone stuck at home! Hey Stuckers! Welcome to today's challenge, which is called Cipher
Secrets.
because I'm all about the cipher.
And I have many secrets.
Oh, that sounds exciting.
It's not.
I love ciphers. It's just another name for a secret code. And I used to want to be a spy when I grew up.
I could see you as a spy,
yeah,
Kim.
yeah. Daring missions and all that kind of thing, yeah. And to do that, you need to be able to send secret messages. So here is level 1 cipher challenge today. A cipher, a simple message. And really it's the code that you need to use to make the secret message. So for level 1, this is just a simple one. We've got the alphabet A to Z written down, and then underneath each one is a letter. So in order to write a secret message using this cipher, you just need to write down the numbers that go with each letter.
I want to write a message.
Okay, can I hold this like here, Sal?
Yep.
You able to write like that?
Yep, I am.
So Sal's going to write me a secret message using our cipher, and we'll see if we can decode it. So it's important though, because you can see we go up to double digits, 2 numbers to make a number. And so it's important that we put little commas. Are you putting commas in?
I'm putting little commas, and then I'm leaving a space between the word.
Otherwise we'll get just a big long jumble of numbers, although that would make it harder to interpret, wouldn't it? Okay,
I'm done.
Let's give you a look first. See if you can crack the code. Let me have a look. 11. K. Can I write it under that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a good idea.
So K. I think I know what this word is going to be. 9. I. Yep. M. Got that one. I've predicted that. I've already seen a 9. It's an I. 19. S. Kim is. Oh, this is nice. Kim is. O. L. Oh, Sal, you haven't done this again, have you? Oh my goodness. Kim is old. Yeah, great. Thanks. So that's a super simple cipher that you can use, the alphabet, level 1.
Love it.
So, Sal, level 2.
Level 2, we're going to do another cipher. This one's called the Caesar cipher, named so because Caesar, who was a Roman leader, used this secret code. So you will still need your letters of the alphabet, but instead of putting numbers underneath, you're going to rewrite the alphabet underneath, but not directly underneath the same letter. So if we started writing our alphabet, say here, underneath D,
Yep.
and that would be called a code of 4 because we're starting 4 letters in, then we can use that code. So we're using letters in our cipher.
Okay,
Right, Kim's going to finish that off.
So, Sal, I've got to the end. I started as you wanted on the 4th letter on D, and I've got right to the end to Z, but I'm only up to W here, and I need to come back to the beginning and fill in those other ones. So X, Y, and Z. It was a bit hard to do upside down.
All right, and there you go. Do you want to make me a quick
I definitely want to
code?
make you a quick code.
Make it as nice as mine was?
Okay, there you go, Sal. There's your message.
Okay. Is that an L or an I? No.
Did I make a mistake?
Saf. What's Saf? Oh, don't worry.
Did you look at the wrong line?
Yeah.
It's actually really important because I've written in the pink, I've written these letters. So when you're decoding it, you're thinking about the second line that represents the first line.
Well, that's the mistake I made. I was looking at the top line. Okay. And now I start by looking at the pink line and then look what's above it.
That's right.
Ah, Kim.
It's true.
I'd rather be silly than old.
So that's level 2, the Caesar cipher. And you can change what letter you choose to start on, and that becomes sort of part of the code. And in fact, I think if you do this really properly, you don't tell them what the cipher is, and they actually have to work out what the cipher is, which then becomes really quite complicated.
Do that to one of the grown-ups.
Yeah.
They'll love you.
Okay, I need to prepare level 3, Sal, because it's a bit complex. Be back in a minute.
See you then. Okay, Kim, you prepared?
I am. This is a fun one, Sal. This is called the pigpen cipher. And it kind of makes sense. We've got all our letters in little pens. So I've made a noughts and crosses board, a tic-tac-toe board or hashtag, and put A, B, C, D, E, F, pairs of letters in those ones, and then made an X here with the last 8 letters. So this now becomes our code board. So if I used this code, this cipher, to write Sal's name, I need to have a look at where her letters are in their pen. So I need the S and the A and the L. So if I do the S, it's sitting in this top part of the X, which means it's a V shape. So the first letter will be a V. So I look at the shape, forget that it is a V, it's nothing to do with V, it's just that shape in there. Then for the A, it's in the pen that's this shape. So that shape there, look, a backwards L is the shape that I've drawn here. And then this one here is in the shape that looks like this. But what's important here is this time it's the second letter in that box.
But the S and the A were the first letter in their little pen.
So to show it's the second letter, I put a little dot. So this now says the V, S, that shape there, the first one, and then this shape here is the second letter.
That's cool. Is this a well-known cipher?
It is quite a well-known cipher. So shall I write you another message, so I'll see how you go decoding it?
I think you should.
Okay.
Since you're the spy, not me.
Okay, Sal, here is your code. Let's see how you go.
Oh, it's a long word.
Mm-hmm.
It looks really cool.
Mm.
All right. It's the V, and it'll be the first letter. It's the V with a dot, so it's the second letter. It's that shape, no dot, so it's U. That one, first letter C. That one, K. Oh, I know what this is. L. That's the L, first letter. Oh, that shape is there. That's the second letter. And first one again, Stuckers!
Yeah.
Love it.
So the pigpen cipher, a really good fun one. You could leave a message for your family or put a message out the front, see if anybody else in your neighbourhood knows the pigpen cipher.
Thanks for joining us for our challenge today. We hope you enjoyed it. Now, Stuckers, we know you're stuck at home, but your family is stuck with you. So write them some nice messages, unlike us. See you later, Stuckers.
Here's my secret code. I'm standing next to a bag of cat food. I'm hungry. What do you think I want? See you later, Stuckers.
Ooh,
yeah.
Simple. What was it?
A super simple
cipher.
That's really simple, Sal.
Cipher, because Caesar, who was a Roman emperor, used it.
So you're a Roman emperor? So what Caesar's are? Roman leader.
He was an emperor, wasn't he?
Just say Roman leader.
Roman leader.
Yeah.
Okay, don't worry. I thought emperor sounded good. I'm sure he was the emperor of Rome. Oh, he was a Roman imperator. If you don't know what that means, boys and girls, join the club.